Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one multiple times, pretty routine basis here, and so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But today, a lot of perspective goes into this. What do I mean by perspective? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 8.7 seconds, then for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then the chart is totally fine. The bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And again, when you care about the big picture perspective and big picture uptrends, that's what it's all about. Overall higher lows, and the bulls still have that, plenty of opportunity to build that overall higher low. And I'm going to be talking about things from the big picture perspective. So if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then you may think I'm crazy for calling some things bullish or saying that it's bullish. But remember, that's, your perspective. Your perspective was day trading. I'm talking about more so taking a step back. So first thing to do or to note is that, the price did pull back, but pullbacks are totally healthy. I mean, you don't even have to look at another chart. Here is a pullback too, and you can see it pulled back right around the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, spent a little while, and then you can see that pullback proved to be very healthy. Almost a little case of deja vu here. Price is now pulled back, and now once again, the price is hanging right here, right around that purple line. Again, 50-period simple moving average. Now, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so I can't sit here and say, therefore, it is guaranteed to head up to, 007. Nobody can say that. No such thing as a guarantee. But hey, it just goes to show that the price still has plenty of opportunity to build higher bases. I mean, if you can't really visualize it with the line, then if you just say, all right, well, that's as low as it goes here, and then you look at where these lows were, and then you look at where these lows were, well, I mean, even when you look at it like this, the overall stair steps still going in the upwards direction. So pullbacks aren't the most exciting thing, but as long as they don't spin out of control, meaning as long as they don't start crashing through a bunch of levels of support, then they're perfectly healthy. The one update though that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 0038 was a level of support, but now that the price is below it, that's going to be that initial area of resistance. And then after 0038, level that I talked about yesterday, up there at 0044. So today's sure not the most exciting day, but taking a step back, looking at the big picture perspective, the bulls are still in control, and the bulls still have plenty of opportunity here to build and continue to build that uptrend. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.